hello. I figured I would do a product review, more of a unboxing really, of the Star Trek Romulan bird of prey. So I figured we could take a look at that. These are future models. I think I might do a couple of these unboxings to show what's up and coming to be built. So let's go down the bench and take a look. Okay, here we are. Here's the box. This is a newer version, I think around 2010, 2011. And there's a picture of other ones they're going to redo. The K7, that would actually be cool. I have the battle cruiser, that's what I'm currently working on. But they kept that old-fashioned box look. This is nice. This is bigger than the 1000 Polar Lights one I did. And look at that. That's nice. Nice and big. I can see there's not as many detailed windows, but we can do something about that with some fiber optics or something. But that's nice. It's going to be a nice size. Well, we got the instructions. Looks like it has a sit-on-down display. So we're going to build a base for this. Not sure what I'm going to do. Or no, it has the dome. This has got to be the old display because it has a dome base. Yeah, so we're good. You do have the option to hang it with that retainer thread and coming up through. There's your decal placements. And it's a simple build. Now these should have the wings that actually angle up. I think the older one didn't. They were kind of straight. This also gives you the clear options for the front of the nacelles, which is what we're going to do because I'm going to light those green. Yeah, there's that stand for one option. Or you can go with dome base. It already has a hole there. And there's your nacelles. There's your optional torpedo plasma launcher, or whatever that was in the episode. The rear wing. Here's your optional clear part. And the stand post. And there's your wings, which you can see go up at an angle. So that's nice. And of course there's the base. That gives us a nice round base. And the decals, which I don't think you'll be able to see, because they protect them. So there it is. She's going to be a pretty decent sized ship if you add those wings on like that. Yeah, it's going to be a nice size. So looking forward to building it. Put those there. Let's get the space in the bottom. This guy, that one. Alright, looking forward to building it. So, until next unboxing, see you soon.